Influencer marketing is on peak right now. Every brand wants an influencer marketing agency that will consistently help the businesses to grow by influencer marketing strategy. So hello everyone, if you have an influencer marketing agency, then this video is just for you. If you receive queries from your customers or leads on WhatsApp and you want to automatically reply to all the messages that you receive, then this video is just for you. First of all, let me show you how this amazing WhatsApp AI assistant is going to work in real time. This is the assistant that I've created for my influencer marketing agency. Now, as a customer, I will ask my first question right here. That is, if I want both awareness and conversions for the campaign, how will you structure the influencer strategy? A bit tough question. I'm asking this as a customer to the agency, okay, to my WhatsApp AI assistant. I will wait for the reply that this assistant is going to give back to me. I have received the reply. Great. Here's a clear, practical influencer strategy that combines both awareness and conversions. Built from my agency name is Creator Bridge, Campaign Approach and Best Practices. Start with objectives and setup. You can see right over here. These are the points mentioned and this is a very clear, proper answer. So you can see how detailed it is. This is how our AI assistant is going to reply back to all the questions that any of my customers or leads are going to forward. So as the customer will receive such kind of reply, they will be very confident and they will definitely approach your agency for their influencer marketing in their business. Not just that, I will ask my next question towards this bot. That is, my next question is, if my product targets a very niche audience, how will you identify influencers whose followers match that audience? So I will ask this next question towards this bot. So now as I've asked this question, I will wait for this bot to reply back to me. And yes, in front of you, you can see I have received the reply. Good question. For a very niche audience, we target data-backed section process. Here's how Creator Bridge would identify the right influencers for you. Start with precise audience brief from you, platform tier choice, discovery using data tools. You can see all the steps are briefly mentioned. Now, as I'm receiving such good replies from this AI assistant, you can see how detailed it is. Point by point, all the things are mentioned. The customer or the lead is going to read the message. They will be very attractive, like, yes, this business knows what to do and I will definitely select this business because I am receiving on-time replies, that too very nicely, okay? So this is how this amazing assistant is going to help. I will ask my last question right here. Can small businesses run influencer campaigns? A very simple question as well. So now I will wait for the reply. Assistant usually takes few seconds for the reply to come back to us. So I'm going to wait over here and I've received the reply. Yes, small businesses can absolutely run influencer campaigns with Creator Bridge. Here's what we offer for small businesses. I have received the answer point by point. Okay, so now as you can see how amazingly and how detailed replies this assistant is giving to all my questions and queries, this is how this WhatsApp assistant is going to work in real time. Now, without wasting any more time, let's dive into the creation of this assistant with the help of an amazing software that is Pabbly Chatflow, and anyone who doesn't even have a single knowledge of coding and programming skills can create this amazing assistant. Okay, so now let's dive into this creation. I'm already on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. In order to process Pabbly Chatflow, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow, and Pabbly Chatflow's landing page is going to appear in front of you like this. Now, if you're logging in for the first time, you don't have an account with us, don't worry. Sign up for free from here, with the help of which you will get 100 free credits every month to test out this feature firsthand yourself. Yes, create this AI assistant right away and you can test out this assistant and then you can purchase our plan and create the assistant for your business forever. Okay, now over here, if you want to purchase our yearly or lifetime deals with Pabbly, you can check out the code I've added on the left side of my screen right over here, with the help of which you will get instant discounts on the purchase of yearly and lifetime deal. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead, use the code and purchase our plan. Okay, sign in from here, and as you will sign in, you will come to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow like this. Now if you want to learn how you can add your WhatsApp business account and number inside Pabbly Chatflow, what are the features and how all the features works inside Pabbly Chatflow, you can check out all the video links I've added in the description section below. Go and set up your account first, come back to this video, then I will teach you how you can create your own AI assistant. Okay, so now I have already created the setup of my account. Now in order to create the AI assistant, simply from the panel go towards this AI assistant section and you will come to this page right over here of AI assistant. Now to create a new assistant, click on this add AI assistant button, and first we have to name our AI assistant. So for the name over here, I will write it as AI assistant for influencer marketing agency. This is the name I want to give. I will add the AI assistant from here. The AI assistant is going to be created. There are certain sections that you need to complete in order to create the assistant, and all the sections are super easy to complete. So let's start with our first section, that is AI instructions, under which we need to select our instruction type first. For the type, I will select over here as AI agent, okay, as I want to create an AI agent. Then according to the instruction type, the instructions are going to be mentioned below like this. Now if you want to edit, eliminate or add on some points, you can definitely do that according to your requirement. I will leave it as it is. Okay, next is AI configuration, under which first is temperature. Temperature is a range from 0 to 1, 0 being very focused replies from the assistant towards the customers, and 1 is the creative reply. I want to reply between 0 and 1, so I will select 0.5. okay, AI to use, I will use OpenAI, and for the model I will use GPT-5 mini right here. Sorry, I will select it, yes, because with the help of this model I want AI to generate the replies. You can select the model according to your requirement. One very important point you need to remember, that as you are accessing OpenAI, you need to have a paid account with OpenAI in order to create this AI assistant. Okay, and yes, currently we have the option of OpenAI only, so that is why I've selected OpenAI right here. Okay, now we have to provide the API key that you will receive from your OpenAI account. For that, go towards this hyperlink directly, and then you will land towards the API keys page of your OpenAI account. You have to create the key from here. Let's suppose for the name of the key, I will give over here as new key 123456 7. You can name the key according to your requirement. Project as default. Permission, I'll give all the permissions. I will create the key from here. I'll copy this key and paste over here in this section. This is how you connect your OpenAI with this AI assistant. Okay, now we have some AI assistant settings that we need to complete. First is AI assistant settings is header message. So if you want the header footer message with the messages that this AI assistant is forwarding, you can set up that according to your requirement. If you want to add stop keywords, you can do that as well, and if you want to add retry attempt, you can toggle the button on and turn on these settings right here. I don't want that, so I'll skip the part. Last is fallback message. So let's suppose the assistant API key that you've entered is not responding, then this message that you have entered, you can edit it also, will be forwarded towards the customer or lead. Our first section of AI instructions is completed. It was super easy. Now let's move on to knowledge source. Now this is an AI assistant. This AI assistant is doing what? Solving queries of your leads or customers or clients. Now how will it solve the queries? How will it know about your business? Like, what's your business about? What do you do? What are the policies, services? What are the things that you do in your business? How will this AI assistant have knowledge of all those things? It comes from the section of knowledge source. You need to provide a source to this AI assistant, and with the help of that source, AI will be trained about your business, and then it will resolve all the queries that you have, your clients or your leads have on WhatsApp. Now for the knowledge source, we have to create a document known as knowledge base, where you are going to give the instructions of what your business is all about. My business name is Creator Bridge Agency. I have an influencer marketing and creator partnership agency. I've explained everything you can see right over here in detail. This is a dummy business. This is not a real business. I have created this knowledge base for an example that this is how you have to create your own knowledge base. Okay, so I've created this dummy knowledge base right over here for a test business. You have to create a knowledge base like this. Remember some important points. You have two types of file accepted inside Pabbly Chatflow's AI Assistant, TXT as well as PDF. No page limit to text PDFs, but if the PDF has images, it's limited to 10 pages only. You can create a very long knowledge base without an image telling what all you have of your business, what are the details. You have to give every single thing in this knowledge base and upload it in this knowledge source section. For that, click on this button and then I will upload my knowledge base. This is the base over here. As soon as I will do that, in few seconds under this knowledge sources section, you will see your file has been uploaded. If you see the vector ID, that means the file has been successfully uploaded. Okay, our knowledge source section has been completed. You have to add your own knowledge base of your business. Okay, now there are two sections, assistant interface and styling. These two sections are necessary for those businesses who is adding this AI assistant on their website just like this. So over here in assistant interface, as I want to add the brand name over here in this header, I will simply add my brand name, that is Creator Bridge Agency. So I'm going to add it right here. Okay. Now, if you want to change the subheading, initial message, enable disabled powered by Pabbly option, add in another footer link like this. You can change all the things through this section right here. Last is user first message. Let's suppose the lead or the client is directly communicating just like I did to this AI assistant on WhatsApp, not through your website. In that case, what's the usual first forwarded message by the client that you have to enter over here? The usual message that you receive. I will leave it as I need help. Okay. Last is styling. Like if you want to change the theme of this AI assistant, color, shape, background, profile picture, you can definitely do all of that over here according to your requirement. Under the styling section, I will skip the part. AI assistant has been created. This is how simple it is. Very easy, super easy. It's like you don't even have to enter a single line of code. It's just that you have to fill in some required details and the assistant is created. In order to activate the assistant, toggle this button on and save the assistant from here. The assistant is going to be saved. Go to embedded. Here you will find the script. You will copy this code, paste it on your website code, and the assistant will be added on your website as well. Okay. So this is how you create this amazing assistant using Pabbly Chatflow. Super easy. It will reply to all the queries. And now as I have shown you how the assistant is created, let me ask few more questions towards this AI assistant from my WhatsApp number again. And let's check whether this AI assistant is automatically replying to my queries or not. I will ask 1-2 questions only. Okay. So my next question that I want to ask is, do you guarantee sales from influencer campaigns? So over here you can see I have forwarded this one more question towards this bot. I will see whether this assistant is still replying to my queries or not, as currently I've shown you how you can create your own AI assistant. It will take few seconds, so I will wait. And yes, you can see I have received this reply. Short answer, no. We don't guarantee sales. Why not? Influencer marketing is excellent for awareness, consideration, and driving traffic, but actual sales depends on factors outside influencer control. Product market fit, price, website checkout experience, inventory, seasonality, and overall demand. You can see I have received this reply right here, which is another detailed reply. You can see I have received a detailed reply. So this is how this amazing AI assistant is created, and it will work in real time. You can ask more questions if you want after creating your own. I just wanted to show you, is it still replying to all my queries or not? Okay. So as now this AI assistant is replying to my queries, this means this AI assistant has been created successfully. Now, if you want to all the chats who is sending the messages from their side towards the assistant, this assistant should be automatically enabled in all their chats. In that case, simply go towards the settings option and go to inbox settings section. After coming to this section, scroll down till the end and you will see the option of AI auto reply settings. You have to enable this setting on. Select the contact list to whom you want to automatically assign this AI assistant to, and select the AI assistant of your requirement and save this rule from here. Now to all the contacts, this AI assistant that you have selected over here is going to be automatically assigned as soon as they will send a query on WhatsApp. Okay. Now if the case is that if to a single contact you want to assign this AI assistant, not to all the contacts, in that case simply go towards this inbox section right over here. Then select the chat. Let's suppose I select this according to your requirement. Simply under the phone number, you will see the option of choose AI assistant. Toggle this button on and select the AI assistant right over here. And towards this chart, this AI assistant is going to be automatically enabled. In this manner, you can assign the AI assistant a single AI assistant according to you. Okay. Now, as we have done that and as we have created the assistant successfully, this is how you automate the conversation between your leads on WhatsApp without need of any coding and programming skills. Queries will be resolved, and as the customer or the client will receive very good replies by this assistant just like this, they will be impressed and they are going to approach you in order to be your paid customer. Yes, so this is how you create this assistant for your influencer marketing agency using Pabbly Chatflow. Why are you wasting your time? Why are you replying to all the questions manually? Simply create the assistant and automate your WhatsApp conversations. Now over here, if you want to purchase our plan, remember to use the code to get instant discounts if you want to create amazing assistant like this for your business as well. Now, if you have questions or doubts related to this assistant, comment down below and I will reply to all the queries that you have as soon as possible. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not only this automation, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you have any questions or need support, you can email us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask us queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can check out this link. Please do like, subscribe and comment down below if you have any other ideas for us to create a video on. Thank you so much for watching.